How to add a preset camera mode as a widget on your home screen. And this is the S24 Ultra. Any other S24 models or other S20 series with One UI 6.0. If you love using your camera and you love using the different modes, then this is for you. So first, long press a blank area on your home screen, a blank area, and you'll see the widgets option here. Then you'll want to go down to where it says camera. And there's only one widget for it, okay? But the reason is because you can create multiple camera widgets with different modes on the go. So as I tap on it here, you'll press add, and the first thing you'll see, this is going to happen. So you can, one, choose the name, change the name for it. And if you want this one to be like instant pro mode, so as soon as you select that widget, it's going to take you straight to pro mode, okay? So I'm just going to name it Insta Pro, and it's up to you. And the starting mode is the camera mode, okay? So you wanna make sure you set it to the mode you want. So this is for the rear camera, and you want it to start off with the pro mode. That's the widget itself, okay? And then you can choose the background, which is basically using an image of your phone to have it saved as your camera widget image, okay? So you can use a recent one or select one, and that's like really up to you. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose one of these here, and then save it. And then now you'll have your widget here, okay? And you can shrink the size of it if you want to, and then create multiple widgets for different camera modes. And of course, you'll need to name them so you know which one is which, okay? So what's gonna happen now as I select it, it's gonna take me straight into the pro mode for me, okay? That's gonna be really awesome, very useful, especially you ladies and guys out there that love using your Samsung camera app. This is definitely the way to go, okay? So like and sub.